All right, hi everyone. My name is Dr. Martinez. I am an instructor here at Quick Start, and a big issue that I'm hearing from people is they're having issues pushing their stuff to GitHub. So I figured I would help out, just making a quick video showing you what to do. Now, as you can see, here is my homepage on my GitHub. I've got my Eclipse open, and I've got just a notepad. Okay, simple. You'll need that. And down here's me, hello. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a quick new repository. And I'm going to call this the Git tester. Perfect. And I'm going to click create repository. I'm going to copy this path right here and I'm going to paste it right there in my little notepad. Now some of you think, okay, great, this is it. Okay, I keep going, etc., etc. No. This is where the common mistake is. It isn't this easy, okay? And there is a GitHub desktop, which I recommend you doing, but the simplest way, if you're going to push something, is to follow these instructions. Go here, this avatar to the top right. Not the settings here, but here. Click here and go to settings. You're going to go down all the way on your left to Developer Settings. Go to Personal Access Tokens, Tokens Classic. You're going to click Generate New Token, Generate New Token Classic. I'm going to call this Tester, and I'm going to give it an expiration date. After this video, I'm going to probably delete it. But for right now, I'm going to just check everything. And as a developer, you'll probably go through and you'll decide what you're going to allow users to have access to. But for right now, for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and check everything, just for giggles. And I'm going to hit Generate Token. Now, you want to copy this, and I'm going to paste my token here, because you will only see this one time. Okay, after you leave this page, you won't see it again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back home and I'm going to refresh this a couple of times. Okay, just make sure, because sometimes what happens is the Git token takes a minute or two to kind of kick into play. All right, now as you can see, I already have my Git repository and my Git staging active. How do I get there? Go to Window, Show View, Other. You'll see all these folders. You'll open the Git folder, and then there's Git repository, Git staging, and you'll click Open. And both of these will be here. So right now, I'm just going to create a new Java project, and I'm going to call this the Git tester. And I'm going to hit Finish. And I'm going to create a new class. And I'm going to call this tester. We'll give it the main method. And I'm going to say sysout. Oh, what happened? Okay, there we go. Oh, can't type today. There we go. Sysout. Hello world. There we go. I'm going to save this and I'm going to run this. Perfect. I want to push this to my repository. So what I'm going to do is up here at the top on the folder, I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to Team, Share Project. I'm going to click on Use or Create Repository in Parent or Project folder. In Parent folder project, sorry. Click here, Create Repository, and hit Finish. You'll notice in your Git repositories, a folder has been created. A Git repository has been created. I'm going to expand it. Now, don't worry about the working trees or anything like that. The key thing that we really want to look at is remotes right here. We're going to right-click and choose Create Remote. All of them are called Origin, so I'm going to call this the Git Pusher. And I'm going to hit Create. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Change. I'm going to copy my path. And the minute I paste it into my URL, all of this stuff automatically logs in. Okay, now this is fine, the protocol's fine, this is all fine. Okay, now this token, this is not correct. I'm going to paste that in. I want to store it in the secure store, just in case you forget where it is. Now this token will apply to all your repositories. They have the more advanced tokens that can apply to individual repositories. So you can play around with that if you want to. I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to select all of these. Now again, as I told you, we might have an error at first just because the token might take a second to kick in. I'm going to add all of these by clicking that green arrow, and I'm going to say first push. And down here where it says commit and push, I'm going to click that. It says can't connect to the repository. We're going to click push head again, push, and I'm going to get an error, or this message, sorry. And I'm going to hit close. This is good, actually, believe it or not. Sometimes this happens for the first time. I don't know why this is doing it. It's probably because I've been dabbling with this, testing it to make sure, so it's probably on my end. You probably won't get this. You'll probably get this message right away. And I'm going to hit close. I'm going to go to my repository, the Git tester. Boom. There's all our files. Notice message, first push, settings. Okay? Or I'm sorry, go to source. I'll go to source. Tester. Hello world. Okay, well, all right. You could have put this in there before. Take a look at the first push and we'll take a look at this code. I'm going to add this sysout for the video. And I will put, it says 4:39 p.m. 39 p.m. right now. I'm going to hit save. As you can see, anything that you've saved automatically gets put into unstaged changes. I'm going to add this, and I'm going to push the second push in the message. Commit and push. Boom. Automatically, that shows up. Refresh. The second push for the video, 4:39 p.m. Let's say I need to add a new class, tester, test classes, and I hit finish. I even need to add a new package, volume spaces, finish, something like this, okay? All right, and I save everything, all right? And in here, new class, tester, finish, all right? I add everything here. Third push, commit and push, boom, close. I refresh everything, boom. Take a look, volume spaces. The tester Java is in that package, but here's my other tester Java. Okay, everything is there. Everything that I had is there. Perfect. Tester class. Oh, I didn't add tester classes. Sorry about that. Commit and push. Oh. Fourth. For some reason, I think I missed that. I don't know why. Close. Perfect. And there she is. Boom. All right, so that is an easy and simple way for you to push your projects to Git. I will put this in the general and I'll keep this posted. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Best of luck, everyone.